Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve Xbox app with the error code 0x800701c4 in Windows 11. And this Xbox app with this error 0x800701c4, this bug tends to strike when trying to install or update a game, and common reasons with these errors are network issues, unstable connections, system conflicts, outdated driver, and misconfigured Microsoft Store. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to check internet connections. So all you have to do is to click on a start menu, and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type this troubleshoot settings and then click open. So once you open up here at troubleshoots, and then you need to select other troubleshooters, and then again here at other troubleshooters, and then you need to select network and internet, and on right side, and then you can see here the run, and then click this run settings, and automatically we're redirect here at help and support. So all you have to do is to follow all the instruction here, the step-by-step methods and procedures to fix this error. So after here, and then other solutions we will do is to reset the Microsoft Store. So all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type this command keyword wsreset. So just type this command keyword wsreset. So this is the run command, and then click open. So this procedure is a troubleshooting tool which is used to reset or clear the Windows Store without changing the account settings or deleting installed apps. So that's why we will perform this WS reset command, just because to make this Microsoft Store back to default settings and to fix this error. So after here at Microsoft Store, and then close. And the other solutions we will do is to repair and reset the Xbox app. So all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter I on your keyboard to open this Windows settings. And once you open up this Windows settings, and on left side bar, and then you need to select these apps, and on right side, and then click installed apps, and under at installed apps, and then search app, and then you need to type Xbox. And once you type this Xbox at searching address bar, and then you can see here now these three apps found, the Xbox Microsoft Corporations. So all you have to do is to click the three dot, and then select advanced option, and here at advanced option settings, and scroll down, and then find and locate this reset settings. So if this app isn't working right, then we can try to repair it. And then next step, you need to tap this repair and wait to complete the repair process, and repair complete. And then next step, so you need to tap this reset, and this will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details, and then click reset and wait to complete the reset process. And after completing this reset procedure, and then close the settings, and then we need to restart our PC. So click on start menu, and then click this settings and select restart. Alright, so that's it guys on how to fix Xbox app with the error code 0x800701c4 in Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.